Hi Wiley students, Coach Mackey here, the PE teacher at Wiley Elementary. I'm here today to talk about the equipment behind me. This equipment here is called the Project Fit equipment. It is out on the playground right outside the gym, and it is available during recess. We use it during PE quite a bit on some nice days to get outside and get active and get fit. So I'm going to spend a couple minutes to talk to you today about the equipment, how it's properly used. When you're out at recess, you can use this equipment when we're not using it during PE. You can use it as like an obstacle course or like a circuit. You can go from one station to the next. But please, when you're outside at recess, use the equipment properly the way I'm going to show you in this video, or you will not be able to use it at recess. You can severely get hurt if you use the equipment improperly, like doing flips or upside down tricks and things like that. So please use the equipment properly so you do not damage the equipment or you do not hurt yourself. So I'm going to talk about the equipment here, and I'll see you later. At this station, this is the monkey bar station. There's two sides to it. There's a side that has 3 steps, and then there's one side that has 1 step. We always start on the 3-step side. Go on up. There's a couple options that you can do here when you're up here. You can go every bar, okay, or you can go every other bar, or you can try to spin. So every time you go, you're spinning, rotating. Or you can even go on the sides. You can go on the sides one way, or you can go on the sides both ways here. Do not hang upside down, and it's only one person at a time on the monkey bars. Please, always start on the 3-step side, work your way towards the 1-step side. All right, for this station, this is the parallel bar station. There's 2 sides. There's the higher side here, then there's the lower side there. We always start at the lower side. While you're waiting your turn, please stay off of the wood chips so you don't accidentally get kicked by the person starting. We always finish or try to finish near the higher side here. There's a couple options that you can do at this station, and then there's a couple things you cannot do. So option 1, you can try to just hold yourself up by the bars. Be very careful. If you do feel tired or you feel like you're going to slip, do not let your hands go to the outside, or you can really hurt your arms on the bar. So if you feel like you're getting tired or going to slip, bring your arms on the inside, so that way you do not hurt your arms by the bars. So you can either hold yourself up, or you can try to walk hand over hand while you do it. No legs go on the bar at any time. Please do not hang upside down from the bars, or it does damage the equipment, or you could severely get hurt. Option 3 would be dips, so you're holding yourself up, you're going down, back up. So I'm going to demonstrate really quickly. Option 1, so you would start here and work your way up. So option 1, you can hold yourself up for about 10 seconds. Option 2, starting back here, you can hold yourself up and then try to walk your hands as far as you can. When you're tired, bring them on the inside so you do not go on the outside and hurt your arms. Okay, then option 3 are dips. So you start here, and then you go down, then up, down, then up. Okay, those are your 3 options at the parallel bar station. This next station here is 2-tier steps. So there's 2 options. You can start in the low. You can try the lower step and work your way up to the higher step. A couple things you can do here. You can just do some step ups, or you can jump up and jump back down, or you can do some toe taps. We are not jumping over the steps. It is not a hurdle, or you are asking to get hurt. So please do not jump over the steps. You can jump up to it and then jump back down, or you can step up and step back down. So I'm going to demonstrate really quick. You can do some step ups where you alternate. 1, 2, 1, 2. Or you can do toe taps where you start 1 foot on, jump, and then switch. Or you can jump up and then jump back down, jump up, jump back down. Those are your only 3 options at the step up station. Here at this station, we have a sign. There's 2 sides to it. It has some warm up and cool down exercises and stretches that you can do. You can use the sign, or you can use the other sign over there as support, or you can do them off in the grass. Next station here is a very popular one, the pole climb or pogo jumps. Option 1 is you can grab the pole and try to hang on as long as you can. Option 2, you can try to climb up hand over hand as high as you can. Go no higher than the top of the yellow markers there. So you should not be going above the yellow to that red or the chains, and definitely should not be touching the blue or hanging from the blue at the top of the bar. And option 3 is you jump, grab as high as you can, and then spin. Do not get a running start, or you will potentially damage the equipment. So please do not do that. So option 1, you can hold on to the bar as long as you can. Just jump up. See how long you can hold. Or option 2, you can climb hand over hand, no higher than the yellow. Be careful when you come down. Or option 3, start on the pole, jump, and spin. Those are your 3 options at the pole climb. Alright, this station is the bunny hop station. So there's a higher side, then there's a lower side that goes into the ground over here. The higher side is off limits. A couple things you cannot do at this station is please do not swing from underneath. Do not jump over. It is not a hurdle where you will potentially get severely hurt. And that is not what the equipment is used for. This is called bunny hop. So this is working on quickness and your plyometric jumping ability. So a couple things. This blue bar here is very important. That's where your thumbs need to point. So your hands are together, thumbs pointing up towards the blue bar. There's 2 different colors on here. I suggest you start lower, because if you go any higher, you're going to have to jump over the bar when you do it. This is about quickness. So start lower, 2 hands on the bar, thumbs pointing up. As soon as you jump and hit the ground, 2 feet to 2 feet, you should be jumping back over the bar. So jumping 2 feet quick. As soon as you have to wait, your turn is over. If you jump off 1 foot, your turn is over. Then you can try to go up higher, but if you go up higher, you are jumping over the bar with your feet, so be aware of that. Be careful so you don't hit your legs. Jump, jump. As soon as you have to wait, your turn is over. This is the bunny hop station. All right, here we have the pull-up bars or push-up bars. There's 3 different heights, varying depending on your ability. But we are not hanging upside down. We are not doing flips from these bars. That is a very, very dangerous thing, and it does actually damage the equipment. So please, please, please be careful and use the equipment the way it is intended for. So you have pull-up bars. So you can start at the bar. Then you can just do normal pull-ups, chin-ups, or you can do a flex arm hang where you're just holding yourself up as long as you can over the bar. These lower ones, you can do the same thing, but just pick your legs up if you can reach those. Or you can do modified push-ups or pull-ups. So modified push-ups, you bring your feet back on your toes here. Or you can do modified pull-ups where you dig your heels into the ground, toes up, go down, then up. Those are your options at this station. All right, right here we have the sit-up bench or push-up bench. So option 1, you're sitting on the bench, tucking your toes underneath the little handle here. Make sure your knees are bent. You're going to go all the way back, all the way up, all the way back, all the way up. Try to limit it to 10 reps so that other people can go. If there's nobody else waiting, you can continue on. Another option you can do at this station is push-ups. While somebody's doing sit-ups, you can go on the back side here. Push-ups with your toes, all the way down, all the way up. Or you can even do dips. Dips are when you have your hands on here. Be careful that you don't slip off. Dig your heels in the ground, go down, then back up. So those are your 3 options at this station.